Will cashback make my trading conditions worse? FxCash is cashback from broker commissions, and the main honest question is this: will I secretly pay for this cashback through worse spreads, higher commissions, or poorer execution? That is the right doubt to have. Because if cashback is given with one hand and taken back with the other through worse trading conditions, then it makes exactly 0 sense. Apart from a pretty table, and as we know, pretty tables do not fund trading accounts. In the normal model, FxCash does not change the trading conditions inside your platform. The broker sets the conditions, account type, spread, commission, execution, and available instruments. FxCash does not work directly with your trades. It works with the partner reward the broker pays for a referred client. That is the source of the cashback. This is why guessing is pointless. You need to check the conditions for the specific broker in the catalog. One broker may offer cashback on certain account types. Another broker may have different rules. Some have restrictions by instruments, some by account status, some by registration method. It is not a universal "make everything cheaper" button. It is a financial mechanism with rules. But the idea itself does not require you to change your trading style. Scalping, intraday trading, expert advisors, manual trading, the question is not the style. The question is whether the broker and the specific account support cashback through FxCash. So, before opening an account, do not simply take our word for it, the broker's word for it, or the word of a cheerful forum expert with a Lamborghini avatar. Open your broker's page on FxCash and check the cashback conditions.